Why don't you have some fruit as well?
I would like to inquire how that gentleman is doing. His child is still in critical condition.
Could the doctor do me a favor? Don't be too sad. There will still be children in the future.
Now the child needs type B blood. I have type O blood. I have blood type B.
Don't be afraid. I'm here to save you.
In fact, your child didn't survive the rescue at that time. He was afraid that you would be sad, so he gave his child to you.
What?
Thank you.